As we know that capital nouns always start with capital letter. So this is the second exercise. Rewrite the following sentence capitalizing the proper nouns. So what you have to do, you have to read the sentence and then you have to find a proper noun, and if a proper noun start with a small letter, then you have to convert it into capital letters. So what we have seen, have you seen the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is a proper noun. It is the name of a particular building, but it starts in this sentence it starts from small t and small m. So what we have to do, you have to change it into capital T and capital N. Taj Mahal. It's in Agra. Agra is also proper noun, but in this sentence, it starts from capital A. So no need to change it. There is a lake beside my house. The name of the lake is Lily Lake. Lily Lake. It is a particular name of a lake, Lily, and it is starting from small l. And proper nouns always start with a capital letter. So we will change it into capital L. As you can see, Lily Lake. So this is the change. Next, my pet Bruno loves to play with birds. So Bruno is a proper noun and it should start with capital letter. So what we will do, we will change this B into capital B. Can you see this? Right, I have two sisters, Amina and Sabina. So these are the names of two sisters, Amina and Sabina. So what you have to do, this starts from small a and small s, and proper nouns always start from capital letter. So change it into capital A and capital S, Amina and Sabina. Next is, everyone loves Gurpreet because he is well mannered. Gurpreet is a proper noun, so it should start with a capital letter. So what you have to do, you have to convert this G into capital G. So next exercise. In some of the sentences below, capital letters have been used wrongly. So capital letters have been used wrongly. Put a tick, put a right tick against the correct sentences, put a cross against the incorrect sentences, and rewrite them using capital letters correctly. So what you have to do, you have to check these sentences. You have to find that whether these sentences are correct or not. If these are correct sentences, then you have to put a right tick like this. If the sentences are wrong, then you have to put a cross like this. So let's begin with our first sentence. My cousins are common nouns, so there is no need to start with a capital letter, so it's wrong. Ritu is the name of a person or a girl, so it need to be in a capital letter. Here Deepak is also a name, so it need to start with a capital letter. So this is also wrong. So what you have to do, you have to put a cross here, and then you have to rewrite the sentences by changing the by changing whatever wrong is this in this sentence. So what, my cousins, this capital C will convert it into, will change into small c. This R, small r, will convert it into capital R. Small d, we will convert it into, or will change it into capital D. Will come to visit me. Now next, New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. It's the sentence is wrong because capital will not it's a common noun, so it will not start with capital C. So we will put a cross here, and then we will rewrite this sentence by changing this capital C into a small c. Can you see, this capital C need to be changed into small c. Let's begin. Let's go to the next page. So the president of India lives in New Delhi, and it's correct. President, there would be only one president in our country, so it starts with capital P. India is the name of a country. The name of a country is proper noun. It's I, correct. New Delhi is also correct, so it's a correct sentence. No need to write or rewrite anything. Now next, I have a pet dog. Dog, D-O-G, capital D. It's a dog is not a proper noun, so it will here small d will come. Called Scamper. Scamper is the name of a dog, so capital S will come. This is right. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Iyer are traveling to Chennai. So Iyer is a name, so, or a surname you can say. So it needs to start with a capital I. So Mr. and Mrs. Iyer are traveling to Chennai. Chennai is also given as small c. It need to be changed into a capital C because Chennai is the name of a city, particular city. Okay, now revision. A common noun does not start with capital letter. A proper noun start with capital letter. Now we have finished chapter number 1 of English grammar. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye everyone.